If you'd like to include a recording for your students to listen to directions or for you to clarify anything, simply click this camera up here, choose Add Webcam Video or Audio, and you can maybe type the word directions so the kids will know what it's showing them. Once you're finished recording, the audio file will appear on the screen, and you can move it wherever you like. The students will also be able to see it, and they can click on it to hear your message. Here's an example of the student board. On the student board, they can click on this blue word play to hear your message. Move the red, yellow, and green vocabulary words onto the appropriate scatter plots to describe their trend. And that's how you include an audio message.